Constructing a power list of customers to earn money online over and over again. Constructing a power list of faithful subscribers that are willing to gobble up anything you throw at them is the crucial to keeping and expanding an online service. This list will be the main focus of any online business to earn money online successfully. The initial step of constructing a power list is to take advantage of your present traffic and entice them to sign up for your mailing or opt-in list. The list of subscribers that actually agree to getting advertising products such as newsletters and brochures to keep them notified of the current updates to your business or specific niche. Such promotion materials are sent out through emails to the customers at various time intervals or as an occasional broadcast message. Building a power list of subscribers will make sure that whatever you send them is received and checked out and not quickly erased. Email marketing will allow you to earn online effectively as you build a base of faithful customers. Your email should preferably consist of information about all your items, brand new service or products in addition to any promotions and special deals that you are currently having. Tell them that these promotions are your method of saying how special your subscribers are to you and is your method of thanking them. Making them feel special will eventually make you huge revenues in the future. There may be a chance that they will even forward your promotions to other prospective customers and consumers as they recommend you and your website to their friends and family, letting you make money online with ease. Sometimes subscribers will unsubscribe if they feel they're not getting what they want or expect. It is not possible for you to please everyone. However, it is possible for you to enhance your email marketing techniques and keep your customers thrilled and devoted. The following are some ideas to develop your own power list of responsive customers that will let you earn money online many times over. This will likewise reveal that you really care about your clients and help them construct a long-term relationship and undying loyalty. Having fresh and new things to excite your customers will certainly keep them ogling for your next email. Supply valuable and great details with terrific articles will also keep your subscribers delighted. If your subscribers enjoy your posts, they will go to your site by clicking the links you put in your newsletters to read some more. If you are afraid that you will not have the ability to provide excellent articles because you do not writing, this is not an issue. There are lots of experts and knowledgeable short article authors that can do the task for you for very little charge. They understand what they are doing and can provide the need that you have for your newsletters. The cash that you spend for your posts are going to be consulted with great evaluations, which can lead to prosperous sales and earnings for you. Of course, this is your own online service and nobody understands more about it better than you do. Ideally, you are the very best individual to write the short articles that will permit you to make money online effectively. One fantastic method to one-up short article writing is to produce and send an ebook to your subscribers about your niche or service. Use your understanding and expertise in the field you have actually selected to assist others individuals who are likewise interested, and in turn they will help you to generate income online. You can discuss anything useful and educational to your customers. Work with a professional to develop one for you for a small fee if you do not like writing. Offer this ebook totally free on your site to enhance more subscribers and also to your present customers. Share this ebook with everybody and even other sites. This ebook will enhance your trustworthiness and can possibly be circulated to more people than your current reach of customers. Your ebook with your site link in it is a very effective tool to generating income online, the fast and simple method. One final tip is to include e-coupons in your newsletters that will offer your customers special discount rates. Your customer will be enthralled to find unique a discount in your newsletters. Building a power list of customers and keeping them loyal, pleased to respond, is without a doubt the most lucrative way to make money online effectively. Your subscribers will gain from your knowledge and you will have the ability to benefit from them also. This is an unbelievable win-win scenario that will become an equally advantageous long-term relationship that can. Building a power list of devoted subscribers that are prepared to gobble up anything you throw at them is the crucial to maintaining and expanding an online company. As I have said, email marketing will allow you to earn money online successfully as you build a base of loyal customers. The following are some tips to build your power list of responsive subscribers that will let you make cash online numerous times. Deal this ebook for complimentary on your site to lure more customers and likewise your present customers. Building a power list of customers and keeping them loyal, delighted and responsive is by far the most lucrative way to earn money online successfully. I do hope some of this has given you some ideas of how to progress in your business. If you want more, I have a YouTube channel with over 330 videos on it at the moment. I put more up most days. Right, my YouTube channel is YouTube at Ian Jackson 1366. That is YouTube at Ian Jackson 1366. If you like to go there and scroll down through the videos, then you may find something you like. Just a little heads up for you. Underneath my video there's a like button. Please click on it and subscribe, as that helps me. If you want more videos when I put them up, If you click the bell up the top and click next to it all, YouTube will send you information when I put another video up. Now underneath my videos there are links and links and links, quite a few in fact, because I've been working online for a long time. They're programs that I've used in the past, some I'm still using, and also tools I use. I use most of the tools online even now. So one in particular I recommend that you use because I really like it and I used it as normal for years, but then last year they sent me through a yearly subscription that I could join, and I'm glad I did because now I get to put my keywords into Spin Rewriter, which is the name of the program by the way, and I get 50 scripts a month sent back to me within 4 to 5 hours of putting my keywords into their section. Now this is a lifetime membership. The program, as I've just said, is Spin Rewriter, and the lifetime membership I believe is 195 or maybe 197, but it is well worth it as far as I am concerned, as it saves me so much work. I used to read through site after site, paragraph after paragraph, finding out everything I could, then copy it and paste it, make videos from it. But now I give them the keywords now and they send me all the scripts that I use. You can't get done for copywriting either, because within the program there is a page where you put your copies in, they spin it, you get it back, copy and paste it into your site or blog, whatever you're using, and it's not copyright material because it's all been changed. So that is Spin Rewriter. Now I've got to really not insist, but make sure you do follow up. Don't get scammed. Whatever you want to join, whatever you want to do, go and search, do your research, do it properly, don't skip it. Go to Google, put in the name of the company or whatever program you're going to start and find out about it before you start it. Google will give you all that information. Also, there's YouTube. They come up with videos about everything. So with YouTube, put in how to start an online business, how to open up a bank account, how to ride a pony. Anything you put in there, they come up with videos for. So please do the research. Subscribe below on the like button, and I hope you have all the best in your online ventures, and success will come if you keep progressing. Don't give up, keep working at things. That's how you progress on the internet. Consistent. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Don't forget research. Alright, it's Ian Jackson saying thank you for being here. Hope you do subscribe and have more videos come to you. So bye bye for now. All the very best.